Illustration number 1. Prove that the unit of 1 over under root mu 0 epsilon 0 is the unit of velocity. And so first of all here I have to find out the unit of permeability of free space. That is unit of mu 0 is given by Newton upon ampere square. And the unit of permeability of free space, it is permittivity of free space, and it is given by Coulomb square upon Newton into meter square. Therefore, 1 over under root mu 0 epsilon 0 is equal to 1 over under root of Newton upon ampere square into Coulomb square upon Newton into meter square. So Newton is cancelled. Now, what is the value of Coulomb square? Can I write it as charge? So charge is rate of change of current or current into time. That is equal to 1 over under root of Coulomb square is basically ampere into second whole square divided by ampere square meter square. That is equal to 1 over under root of ampere square second square divided by ampere square into meter square. So ampere square are cancelled out. So it is 1 over under root of second square upon meter square. So this is basically 1 over S over M. So denominator of denominator will come into numerator. So 1 over under root mu 0 epsilon 0 is equal to meter into second inverse. So this is the unit of velocity. And hence the task has been completed. Let's start illustration number 2. A 1000-watt bulb is kept at the center of a spherical surface and is at a distance of 10 meters from the surface. Calculate the force acting on the surface of the sphere by the electromagnetic waves along with E0, B0 and intensity I. So this much condition we have to find out. So first of all, the energy consumed every second by 1000-watt bulb is 1000 joule according to the definition of power. Now, here if you see the working efficiency of the bulb is given 2.5%. And so, the energy radiated by the bulb in a second or per second is given by delta U, that is equal to 1000 into 2.5 divided by 100, because percentage I have converted into a simple fraction. So this 0 is cancelled out. That is equal to 25 joule per second. Therefore, delta U is equal to 25 joule per second. Now, if we consider that the bulb at the center of the sphere, then surface area of the sphere is given by A is equal to 4 pi r square. Now, the bulb is put at the distance of 10 meter from the center. So, 4 pi is 3.14 and r square. So, r is 10 meter. So, 10 square. That is equal to 4 into 3.14 into 100. That is equal to 4 into 314, which is equal to 1256 meter square. Therefore, this is the surface area. Now, from this surface area and the energy radiated per unit second, the intensity I is the energy radiated per unit second per unit area, that is equal to 25 divided by 1256. Therefore, I is equal to 0.02 volt per meter square. And we know one relation that intensity is related to the RMS component of the electric field E. I is equal to epsilon 0 into C into E RMS square. So with this relation I can find out the value of E RMS square. Therefore, epsilon 0 into C into E RMS square is equal to 0.02. Therefore, E RMS square is equal to 0.02 divided by epsilon 0 is 8.85 into 10 to power minus 12 into 3 into 10 to power of 8. That is equal to, the simple value of ERMS is 2.74. The unit is volt per meter. So it is 2.74 volt per meter. Now, according to the characteristic number 2 of electromagnetic waves, electric field and magnetic field are related by one equation, and from this equation I have rearranged these terms. So ERMS is 2.74 divided by the value of velocity of light, that is 3 into 10 to power of 8. So the final answer of DRMS will be 9.13 into 10 to power minus 9 Tesla. But what is the RMS value? So ERMS is defined by E0 upon under root 2, and we need the value of E0. So E0 is equal to under root 2 ERMS, that is equal to under root 2 of 2.74, which is equal to 3.87 volt per meter. Therefore, E0 is equal to this much. Now, DRMS is equal to D0 upon under root 2. That implies the value of D0 will comes out to be 1.29 into 10 to power minus 8 Tesla. And hence the value of force, the value of E0, B0, the value of intensity has been found. Now, the total momentum imparted on the surface, that means delta P is equal to delta U over C, that is equal to F, that is nothing but force, which value we have to find out. So that is equal to 25 divided by 3 into 10 to power of 8. That is equal to 8.33 into 10 to power minus 8 Newton. And from intensity is equal to density into the length, but at that time the length was actually the speed of the light. Therefore, energy density I can write down as intensity over the length, that is equal to 0.02 divided by 3 into 10 to power of 8. So the density will comes out to be 6.67 into 10 to power minus 11 joule per meter cube. So with this, illustration number 2 is over.